In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some of the essential functionalities of your Stripe account. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or someone just starting to get the hang of using digital payment systems, knowing how to efficiently manage your Stripe account is crucial. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, let's go to your Stripe account. Now, you might be doing this from your desktop or maybe even a mobile device, but the important thing is that you head over to the official Stripe website. Many of you might have your credentials saved in your browser for convenience, but if not, make sure you have your login details handy. Once you're on the Stripe website, go ahead and sign in. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, you'll be able to see a comprehensive overview of your account, including transactions, balances, and analytics. These are all incredibly valuable tools for running your business as they give you insight into how your income is being processed and allow you to keep an eye on financial trends over time. Now let's move on to the next part. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. One of these options is Sign Out. It's always important to securely log out of your account whenever you're done to protect your sensitive financial information. So simply select Sign Out from the menu to ensure you end your session securely. It may seem like a small step, but taking this precaution is essential to safeguarding your account against unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of your Stripe account. Remember, regularly checking in on your account and understanding how to navigate it offers great benefits in managing your business's finances effectively. From monitoring transactions to configuring account settings, each step strengthens your grasp on how your business operates and performs financially. I hope you found this brief guide helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your Stripe account. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to the Stripe support team or check out their extensive documentation and help center for additional assistance. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you make the most out of your online business tools. Have a great day.